If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
Welcome to the demonstration series for the Ruckus Analytics Cloud Service for Network Intelligence and Service Assurance. The videos in this series will describe the various views, services, and capabilities of the Ruckus Analytics platform. In this video, I'll be describing the data represented in the Reports Overview dashboard. So let's get started. Once logged into Ruckus Analytics, you access the Reports Overview dashboard by selecting and expanding Reports on the left side pane. This will automatically open the overview. This dashboard provides a summary of some commonly accessed portions of the more detailed reports that are available. Each of these detailed reports will be covered in separate presentations. So let's start at the top of the page. First, we have the time selection field. This field allows you to specify the date range for the data you're viewing. There are 3 defined ranges available that include today, the last 24 hours, and the last 7 days. You can also select a custom range as well by simply selecting a starting date and an end date. This can be done by clicking on the dates on the calendar or typing them in the fields at the top of the display. Then click Apply to have the rest of the page update based on your selection, keeping in mind that the longer the date range, the more time it will take to populate the screen due to the increase in data that must be collected. The first quick look views provide information on controllers, access points, and switches that are reporting to Ruckus Analytics. The controller section displays the number of controllers being used in your network. The green dots show the number of active controllers, and the red dot shows the inactive controllers. Access points shows the number of APs in the network. The dots here show the number of active APs in green, the number of inactive APs in red, and any APs that are provisioned in discovery or rebooting in yellow. Switches shows the number of switches in the network, and just like APs, the green, red, and yellow dots show the number of active switches, inactive switches, and provisioned in discovery or rebooting switches respectively. Below that is a network usage overview graph. It shows the relationship between the number of clients and the total traffic in the network. The bubble chart contains bubbles of different colors that indicate different dimensions of the network, including application, domain, OS type, zone, AP, system, AP group, switch, and SSID. If you mouse over an individual bubble, it will display the number of connected clients and traffic information. The size of the bubbles will dynamically expand depending on their values, except for APs and switches, which are represented by icons. The middle portion of the overview dashboard includes 3 tiles that show alarms, which displays the most frequently occurring alarms in the network. You can pause your pointer over a color or a name to display the full name of the alarm. In the middle is the events tile. It displays the most frequently occurring events in the network. Again, pausing your pointer over a color or name will display the full name of the event. Then the top APs by client count tile displays the APs being accessed by the most clients. Below that, on the left side, you have the total wireless traffic tile, which shows statistics about traffic received and transmitted by the access points, including the maximum and minimum traffic rates. In the middle is a unique wireless sessions tile, showing the number of IEEE 802.11 sessions between all clients and APs on the network. Then on the right is the WLANs tile, which displays the top SSIDs by traffic. In this tile, you can mouse over a portion of the ring graph to display more information about each SSID. Then at the very bottom of the overview dashboard, you'll find the radios tile on the left, which displays client data usage in terabytes for both the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz networks. The applications tile in the middle shows the applications being used more frequently by the clients in the wireless network, as well as the percentage of traffic these applications consumed. And lastly, the Did You Know tile provides a short bulleted list about your system, such as average duration of a session for a week or the busiest SSIDs. This tile is updated every time you return to the overview dashboard. Another commonality of each of the reports in Ruckus Analytics is the ability to export all of the related data in the view to a report, either in a comma-separated value or CSV file, or to a PDF file for offline analysis and viewing. So this completes the presentation describing the Ruckus Analytics Reports Overview Dashboard. I hope you found this information useful and hope you return for more of the presentations in the Ruckus Analytics series. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.